Hi everyone. Today I come into Hunting Rock in the ocean, in Pacific Ocean, North California. Looks so pretty. Oh, that's so cool. I should stop by on this side here and then check out. Look, that's mountain. Look like a dragon. I love to create things, whatever when I travel. So pretty here. Hey, I should stop by here in Hunting Rock before I go. Wow. Nothing here at all. I don't know why this year is not come out a rock at all. I enjoy myself here so much. I don't want to go home. I need to go home to make money so I can travel. The ocean was so pretty. Wow, I love it. I want to stay here forever. You're able to see the sound from the water come in, and I love it. I love it. I want to stay here. I love to travel, see things going on in the world. I love it. I love this ocean here. It's so much fun and never enough for myself. Wow, you should come in here see it. So you're able to believe me. Come on, everyone. Come out from the door and come in and see the ocean, the one that you love, next to you forever. I was travel for many years now. My life is a struggle before. I learned my mistake. I learned what I should do. I learned how to love myself. I know myself that what I want to love, the one that you love, the one that they love you. Life is so short, so I want everything, but I unable to have everything. I do what I can do in this earth here. Thanks so much, God. Hey, Kevin, here's looks so pretty. Hmong people always tell a story about a dragon. This mountain look like a dragon. I cannot find out this year, so I show you what I go look something else here. Oh my god, look. It's a lot of stuff come out. I don't know the ocean bring over. Look, I'm gonna find something here. Check out. Wow. Wow. Look, something going on here. I should find something. Wow, I got one. Wow, look. Oh my god, too much thing going on. I've got one here. Look, so pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look, I need to find something else. I need to find something gonna be special here. You guys, look. I gotta show you the next one. Watch. Wow. That's not good, but look like it's something. Wow, 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 wow. Too much, too much. Wow. I need to find something here. Oh my god, I love it. I got all this stuff here. Look, I found something. Oh my god. So pretty. So pretty. Look. Hopefully I find something here. I need a so special rock. Oh my god. Oh my god, today I'm so tired. I am unable to find one piece of rock. Oh, nothing good there. Too much rock, but not pretty. Oh my god. I should find something. Please, please. Nothing good at all. Nothing good. Oh my god. I need something. Oh my god, looks so pretty here. Wow. 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 This is sad today because I cannot find anyone. Oh my god, I find one. Wow. Wow. Look, so pretty. I got one.
Wow, that's so pretty. Wow. Kind of a design one. Wow. Kind of design here.
Wow, I got one too. I got another one. It's so pretty. here. Just come out of your door, my friend. Come and enjoy yourself. Wow, I got so pretty here. It's pretty rough.
별로는 뭐가?
Done today. Thanks everyone. Go like, go share, follow me, subscribe me. If you have any question, email me. Parizang 2022